From dashboard, open accounting, then select manual journal. The register shows posted debit value, entry count, and matching status. Search, status and period filters help reviewers trace adjustments. Set the March 31st date and enter a clear business narration. Debit interest expense, 120. Credit accrued expenses equally. Select post entry only after checking the date, narration, accounts, amount and evidence. BooksIQ saves journal number 0009. The posted voucher shows narration, date, total and both ledger lines. PDF, print, edit and duplicate are available, voiding keeps an audit trail. The register now contains 9 posted and matching journals with total debits of 4,420 rupees. Scroll through the full list and use View to inspect the voucher behind every adjustment before approving final accounts. For unpaid March rent, debit rent 2,000 and credit accrued expenses 2,000. For 1 month of prepaid insurance, debit insurance 100 and credit prepaid expenses 100. For salary earned but unpaid, debit salaries and wages 800 and credit accrued expenses 800. Reverse or settle the liability when payroll is paid, following the approved month-end policy. For an approved write-off, debit bad debts 300 and credit accounts receivable 300. For a doubtful debt allowance, debit bad debts 200 and credit allowance for doubtful debts 200. When the owner introduces funds, debit the business bank 500 and credit owner's capital 500. Link the deposit evidence, confirm it is capital rather than revenue, and obtain authorization. For personal cash withdrawal, debit drawings 250 and credit petty cash 250. To correct classification, debit telephone and internet 150 and credit printing and stationery 150. The final example confirms the interest accrual, debit interest expense 120 and credit accrued expenses 120. Review every manual journal before final accounts.